The M3D extension identifies an Evermotion 3D model file containing high-quality architectural visualization assets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, render, or troubleshoot these architectural 3D model files. Note on preparation: make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the M3D file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. M3D files are 3D model files from Evermotion, containing high-quality architectural visualization assets, including furniture fixtures, vegetation, and interior design elements. They are used in architectural rendering and interior design visualization projects for photorealistic output. Evermotion M3D files use a format compatible with major 3D applications storing polygon mesh data, material definitions, texture references, and UV mapping coordinates. They are typically distributed as part of Evermotion's Archmodels and Archinteriors asset collections. For the M3D file type, Autodesk 3ds Max from Autodesk Inc. is a trusted and reliable source. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows provides minimal insight into this category, so proper review depends on compatible 3D tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your M3D file and click Open With. If Autodesk 3ds Max is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software link. When an M3D file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening the model. Import M3D files into 3ds Max Blender or Cinema 4D depending on the specific format version. Use File, then Import, and select the appropriate file type. Evermotion models are typically optimized for 3ds Max with V-Ray materials for photorealistic architectural rendering. Next, applying materials. After importing, configure the material assignments using your preferred render engine. Evermotion models typically include V-Ray or Corona material setups. Convert materials for your renderer using material conversion plugins if using a different rendering engine. Finally, rendering the scene. Place the imported M3D model in your architectural scene and configure lighting for photorealistic output. Use V-Ray Corona or Cycles rendering engines for best results. Adjust material properties and lighting to match your scene's environment and design intent. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.